Hello dear colleagues, my name is Edil Maidanov. I am working in Eurasian National University in Faculty of Information Technologies as a teacher, and I am also certified trainer by Cisco, and particularly in Cisco Webex. Today's lesson is about registration on Webex, about how to get the Webex account, and this lesson was translated to Kazakh and Russian languages, so to find that lessons you should press the cards of the video, and you can find also the links for that lessons in video description and in the pinned comment. Okay, let's start. During this lesson we will review what do you need for creating a Webex account, what to do after getting the invitation letter, who should I contact if I have difficulty in registering, and where I can learn more about the Webex platform and where will the training materials be placed. Okay, let's start from the first point. What do you need for creating a Webex account? So you need to fill this questionnaire. You can find the link for questionnaire in the video description also. And you should fill and send this questionnaire to our account manager, Ainur Hakim, and here you can see her email address. So please send the questionnaire, the filled questionnaire, to this email address. This questionnaire is about subscription for using Cisco Webex platform in educational activities, and trial version of this Webex platform is 90 days after getting the Webex account by university. So let's talk more about registration. So Webex accounts are only registered through our account manager. That is, you will not be able to create a Webex account yourself through the register button. So that means if you enter to webex.com and press sign up, and the system will not provide you access to Webex products. It will be a mistake. So first of all, again, please send first of all the questionnaire to our account manager, and after that you can get the access to Webex products. So also before sending the questionnaire, make sure that your email is written correctly. It is very important. So when you do everything right, and you will get the invitation letter. So it will look like this, and the subject of the mail will be Kazakh Academy of Info Communications has invited you to Cisco Webex, and in the mail you will see this activate button. So press it and you will see this page. So you should create a new password and just confirm it and press save and sign in. So there are some password requirements, so you can read here the requirements. So your password must contain at least 8 characters, at most 256 characters, at least 1 lowercase, at least 1 uppercase, at least 1 number, and at least 1 special character. So the special characters include $, @, also %, ampersand, and like this. So here I put the example of the password. So here you can see that my password have 1 uppercase, lowercase characters, 1 special character, and 1 number. So if I put this password to the password line, the system will accept it and I will get the Webex account. Like I will activate my account like this. So next question was, who should I contact if I have difficulty in registering? If you send the questionnaire to our account manager, and if you didn't get the invitation letter or you have other problems in registering, you can contact by these contact details. And the first contact is our account manager, Ainur Hakim. Here you can see her phone number and email address. Second contact is tech support, which is Akniet Nurzhaubaev, and also his phone number and email. And third contact is our Dean of Faculty of Information Technologies in Eurasian National University, Sigilov, Shakhmaran Zhursimbekovich. So his email you can see also on the screen. All these contact details will be also in video description. So last question was where I can learn about the Webex platform and where will the training materials be placed. So to learn more about Webex platform, you can enter to YouTube channel of our Dean of Faculty, Shakhmaran Zhursimbekovich. His YouTube channel name is Sigilov Shakhmaran, and in this channel you can find this video about distant technologies in Kazakhstan. So press it, and this is the webinar of ENU, and in this webinar our Dean of Faculty have said about detailed information about Webex platform, why we need to use this Webex platform, why we need to learn more about this, and about the 4 applications of Cisco Webex. So all of this information you can find if you watch this video. And also all training materials be placed also on this channel. So please subscribe. Again, the name of the YouTube channel of our Dean of Faculty is Sigilov Shakhmaran, so please subscribe. Press the bell button also to get notifications about new videos on this channel. So that's it. Thank you for your attention. Next lesson will be about Webex meetings products.